Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. Speaking of the day, as of the recording of this, today is October the 11th, 2024, the day after Hurricane Milton left the area. October 9th, October 10th hit overnight, and we're back here at the Magic Kingdom and Walt Disney World to see how the cleanup looks. So come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun! The day after Milton, people are coming in for the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Look at those M&Ms. And here we are at the Magic Kingdom, about to head in. The park will close. Not closed, but closed for guests who are not going to the party. Look, there's a Mad Hatter and Alice coming in. Lots of costumes. Always fun to see what's going to happen at the party. Day after Milton. More than likely, doesn't even look like anything happened here at the Magic Kingdom. And let's take a look down Main Street, USA, to the flag, to the castle. Everything is cleaned up. There was a hurricane, you never know. Well, taking a look at Main Street and down Main Street, it looks like everything is back to normal. And there, of course, is Cinderella's castle in all of her glory. Beautiful day today too, and the weather's actually really nice. So here we are. This is how it is after the hurricane. As long as I'm here, I'm going to go on my favorite Tomorrowland ride, the People Mover. Got to go on the People Mover. Let's go into Tomorrowland. Thanks for coming in to check us out today, guys. If you don't mind, hit that like button below. If you're not already, I don't know what you're doing. It's free to do. Subscribe to the channel, and of course, click that notification bell, because when you click it, you stick it to that YouTube algorithm and you get notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. We're in that period of time where most of the people in the park now are probably here for the party. It's that overlap period. I'm actually not going to the Halloween party tonight. I'm heading to Epcot after this to do a live stream starting here and over into Epcot. So you won't be able to check out that, well, I mean, you can check out the replay of the live stream, I guess. Gonna go into the People Mover. What a nice shot of Spaceship Earth. Sometimes I ride the People Mover just to make offhand Disney jealous. Is it Dallin? Is that who? I think it's Dallin. I've never met him. But Dallin, if you ever watch this, and I do get to meet you, you're cool. I like your videos. And now I am riding the People Mover.
Blue Line, non-stop service around tomorrow.
Oh, here we go!
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morad 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see maps. There's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
Actually, everything's kind of like today in Tomorrowland.
If you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight. Thank you.
You don't usually look at that, do you? There's the laugh floor.
Express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. Dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny People Mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny board. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are corner sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
It really does seem like just yesterday that I was riding this, watching the last final bits of construction on Tron Light Cycle Run. Wow, time moves by fast. Sheesh.
Galaxy, the coral moons of Pisces 7. You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
Not really anything to see inside Space Mountain because the Halloween layover is that all of the lights are just plain off.
Please contact Mr. Johnson at the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Oh sure, Nate gets a shout out every time People Mover goes on.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy and
Look, it's the Justice League.
Forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
I always thought this building was the home of the Super Friends when I was a kid.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter Planetary Harmony Fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Ironically, Tomorrowland is one of the most unchanged parts of the park. I mean, you're always supposed to be looking ahead to tomorrow. In 1971, this was maybe this year, and this year's here already. I think they need to update it. Just off the People Mover, and it seemed fine except that the moving walkways to get up to and down from the People Mover were both not moving. So they were just walkways. That's okay. These trees, I don't know why, but like these being here make me very happy. Like Disney keeps taking out things, but they've left these here, and I'm really, really glad for that. Just of note, here is the Goofy's Candy Company Pixie Sticks filling station. And this is in the vlog for my son Zender at the Big Top Souvenirs. So I am leaving the Magic Kingdom right now, and we are on our way to Epcot. Look at Snow White's Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Look, there's Doctor Strange and the Cyclops and the Phoenix and Wanda. And I am heading out of the park. Oh, look at that pretty sunset. That's nice. That is a nice shot. There's the center of Epcot, the Epcot Center with no fountain anymore. No beautiful fountain. We're now into food and wine. Food and wine. We're inside Epcot. Well, that's really pretty. Any type of moving water structure here would make it so much better. And there is the Borzen cheesecake with fig jam stuff. The mixture of flavors and textures is a little weird. And it definitely makes me thirsty. Oh, this is weird. I'm doing the left-hand thing now. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but it's like the perfect temperature. Whatever temperature this is, it's the perfect temperature right now. So nice. thank you so much for coming in tonight, checking out our vlog. Please give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, and of course, please click that notification bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm and you get notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. We hope you enjoyed seeing what Disney is like the day after a hurricane, and until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao!